So many of the people said we want to, 80% of the people said we want to be a rich person. 50% of those people, they said we want to be a famous personality, famous person. So again they ask a one question. Imagine your life like a movie story. You are the creator, you are the actor, you are the director. Now how would you want your movie should look like? So our 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 life is entire life is a picture of the choices we make, the kind of a work we do with those choices. So we live in this era of 2020, and we all know whatever we plan is not exactly executed, right? We have to came across a different difficulties in the life. So it's all about like the major focus you put it on the keyboard of the life you wanted to live, the picture you wanted to unfold, and the folded pictures of your life. So what happened with the youngster is generally we all started with one key factor that we wanted to become a rich, we wanted to be a famous personality. Same goes with myself. I wanted to be a rich person. I don't want to compromise on the things which I want in my life. मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए. I want everything, but everything requires money, right? So rich होना तो जरूरी है. And the second thing is we all want to be a famous personality. We want that recognition in front of us. That is the kind of things we want. But somewhere down the line, while going through all those struggles, while going through all that, life part, whenever there is not, there is one beautiful saying which is there is no smooth road. You will never find a smooth road while you are traveling. There always you'll find some of the gaddas, you'll find the breakers, or you find some other things, but there will be no smooth road in between. Same goes with us also in our life also. You will never find a smooth or a comfortable life. You have the difficulties to make out the things come out to be best. So that the survey which happened, they actually came with the conclusion. We all start with the big goals, big dreams, and the big visions in our life. If we study the life of a teenager till the life of the person who is an old age, if you study the entire life of that person, you will get to know what are all those breaks which makes a person successful and happy, and which makes a person unsuccessful and unhappy. So there was a conclusion which came out in the picture of Harvard University. The conclusion was very simple and very attractive. Is the conclusion which is you have to connect socially. There are so many advantages of the things what we do. There are so many disadvantages also what the things what we do. So you if you are connected socially, like with your family, with your friends, with the community, people around you, you will be a healthy and a happy person. Same goes with the different people who are unhappy or who haven't successful. So they are not socially connected with the people. So they came out with the six following steps to make your life achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Six steps are: one is the consistency. If you have started with a basic dream or a basic goal, you have to be a consistent path. You can't actually go. If I wanted to travel from Delhi to Mumbai, I have to go to the consistent way. If I'll stop down in between, I will never able to reach to Mumbai. That is my destination. But if I'll stop in between, I will never be able to reach that destination. That is the consistency which we have to follow. Second, connect yourself socially with the right set of people. Suppose if you are, going through from a Delhi to Mumbai, and you find a bunch of people who are guiding you in a wrong direction. No, you have to go this, you have to go this. But if you have a right kind of a people, if you are associated with the right mindset, so you will always find with the positive people who will guide you in a right way, in the right direction, so that you can reach your goal. The third step is whenever you feel like, okay, this is our path, we are breaking out. Obviously, the life is not smooth. So whenever you feel that difficulty, you have to connect with your mentor. So many talks in the past has been taken on the mentorship and all those stuff. So whenever you feel difficult in your life, you have to connect with the right mentor, with the right coach who can guide you where your life should go, and where you are breaking, you will actually overcome that breakers again. And read more. whenever you read more, your mind should, come up with all those negativity and will be a positive bunch of positive cells and positive environment. The fifth step is remove all those past memory, live in present and make your future. That is the thing which we have to do. We have to remove all the past memory, whatever the difficulties, whatever the things. You don't have to think all those stuff. You have to live in the present. You have to make your future and count each and every day. Never ever have a giver attitude. Remember the fourth question which they ask. Your life is your responsibility. You are the creator, you are the actor, you are the director, you are everyone. So you can't actually come up with the sad story or sad destination. You have to have that beautiful life to showcase to the people. तो जकड़ा है इंसान खुद की बनी कुछ जंजीरों में, जकड़ा है इंसान खुद की बनी कुछ जंजीरों में, खुद के फैसलों में या खुद की उम्मीदों में, खुद के फैसलों में या खुद की उम्मीदों में, भूल गए हैं जीने का तरीका झूठी इन तकनीकों में, भूल गए हैं हम लोग जीने का तरीका झूठी इन तकनीकों में, जरूरत है आजादी की हमें अब इस धरने और इन विचारों से, जरूरत है हमें अब आजादी की इन धरना और विचारों से, खुल के जीना है फिर एक बार, खुल के जीना है फिर एक बार, चल चल मन और अपने अच्छे संस्कारों से. Thank you so much. Have a happy and a beautiful time ahead. Thank you so much.